Okay. Are we playing Paw Patrol?
We're playing Paw Patrol.
Okay. Let's see. You gonna tell me who everybody is? Tell me their names. It's Zuma. And Zuma's got a hovercraft?
She says Chase.
Chase? Is that Chase? Chase has a cruiser?
Chase has had a cruiser.
Okay, and who's that guy?
Robo and
Is that Ryder?
Ryder and Jim.
On his ATV?
This is ATV. He's next to Ryder. Let me count them off.
Okay.
1, 3, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. And who's this?
Rubble.
It's Rubble. And he's got a construction vehicle, right?
Doesn't have sharks in Mickle.
No. And who do you have in your hand?
Sky.
Sky. And does Sky fly? Okay. And who's over there? Who's that on the ground?
Rocky.
Rocky. Okay.
Yeah, someone right in there.
Whoop. You okay? Oh.
I just walked out.
Okay.